So let's talk numbers. Actually, what benefits did the program give as costs or revenue in that kind of way?
So I'll refer to a piece of work that was done, a piece of analysis, and it's actually public knowledge. It has been posted on behalf of the TMF Enate partnership, where through the likes of consistency, through the likes of service catalogs, through the likes of making sure that the right user does the right piece of work for the right client at the right time, we have been able to articulate as a efficiency savings that have represented more than 32 million to the firm at a global level. And well, again, that has been measured, that has been recorded, and that has made board members very happy. I still think that there is far more to a saving on a P&L that orchestration gives us. Let me give you an example. The moment that clients start receiving a consistent service in different parts of the world, that same moment is when their interest sparks on giving TMF more work, because they know that the more work they give, there is a higher likelihood that they'll still receive a consistent service. So client growth has been an important aspect of the impact that Enate has had in TMF.
Oh, wow. So that impact of consistent delivery creates consistent client experience, creates revenue growth. I mean, actually, I can see that purely as a customer. I can see that actually I want to work with people who do deliver a great service to me and deliver that every time. But it's one of my favorite sayings is that no company ever cuts cost to success. Really, real success in business is about growing businesses and growing the top line as well. And it's fantastic to hear that you've seen that as a benefit as well at TMF.